welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Prima, and today I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I do my bling quarantine nails, because as you know, everything locked down, everything shut down here in New York. So what if I make do, what if I make do, what if I do things where we, what if I try make it like it right. So I wanna make fashion, as we say in Jamaica. So right now I'm gonna show you how I bling my quarantine nails. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a little big thumbs up and subscribe. I little while forget that. For those of you who are new to my channel, I do a lot of cool things from vlogging to beauty to music. If you love all of that, don't forget to subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up. Hey y'all, so first and foremost, you have to wash your hands nice and clean. Gotta get all of that extra grease off, all that extra dirt. That's the best way to get this process to work. Nice and clean. Scrub. Let it dry, don't it? Yeah. So in today's video, we're going to be working with the Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails. I love everything Kiss nails. When I tell you, this could last you up to like 3 weeks, trust and believe. And you can pretty much pick it up from anywhere, from a Walgreens, a Rite Aid pharmacy. You could even order it on Amazon, so it's pretty available. So these are the tools we will be using today. This little thing, and just a cotton swab, crazy glue to put these really cool sparkly studs on. I got these from Amazon. I'll try my very best to link these in the description because I bought them a while back, but they also have other cool different styles and shapes that you guys could check out. So yeah. So yeah, it comes with a little emery board in the box. It comes with its own glue as well, which I will be using. But I prefer this emery board, to be honest. We have some acetone, aka nail polish remover or Q-Tex remover. So this is pretty much how the packaging look, how it comes out of the box. It has the glue that comes with it, like I was saying before. And you just pop the lid off just like that, and start to get into it. So right here I'm using a little bit of the acetone just to go over my nails again, just to clean off any excess grease, because with the grease being on your nails, it would not stick as properly as you would want it to, or last as long as you would want it to. So it's always best to get your nails nice and clean. Here what I'm doing is matching everything to my nails just to make sure it fits. And yeah. So yeah, pretty much I really love doing press-on because I play the guitar, and as you know, to pay for an acrylic job to be done and then have to cut it down and take it off within like a few days is pointless for me. So I enjoy using press-on. Please comment below and let me know if you guys have any other cool recommendation as far as a press-on company that I could check out or review for you guys. Just comment below and let me know what you think. Any suggestions would be cool. So what's happening here, I am struggling to pick up the jewels. A lot of time I just get frustrated and use my hands if it's possible. Sometimes the jewels are a little too small for me to use my fingers, but in this case it was fine. It was totally fine. It comes out just like that. And yeah, I just pretty much repeat the process on a few of the other nails that are not blinged out or sparkly. Doesn't come sparkly. So yeah, comment below and let me know what you guys think. Now the operation begins on my crusty nails. Yo, this quarantine life is serious. It's serious struggles. But I really hope this video could help you guys out, just to know, just a cool way for us ladies to just stay pampered and just kind of treat ourselves, you know what I mean? So yeah, pretty much that's the glue that it comes with. I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist this little part off and just add a little bit to the nail, my nail itself, and then a little to the falsie, and just stick them together, and that's it. This process usually takes, like, I would say the most probably a minute to dry or less, a few seconds to be exact. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. I really enjoy doing this. I do a lot of it because I am filming and nobody wants to see our crusty nails. So yeah. So right here, I'm just pretty much repeating the process on each nail. Just sticking it all together, and yeah, it's pretty easy, it's pretty quick. You can literally get fly bling nails in under 10 minutes, just like that. So yeah, this is the finished look of my blinged out at home quarantine nails. Yes, so I just had to make the best of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So another finished tip I like to do is use this hand mask. It's located at Absolute. That's where I got this one. You can even get it at Sephora, anywhere. If you like all of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up.